Hi, are you thinking about moving to Houston, Texas? Well, if you are, does that move include a mortgage, buying a house or a condo? If it does, then this video is for you. In today's video, I'm going to cover the top 8 things of what not to do once you're pre-approved or under contract on a home. If you're new to my channel, then hit the like and subscribe button and ring that little bell for notifications so that you can be kept current on all things Houston. I make videos like this weekly to keep people current on what's going around here in Houston. My name's Donna Sitton. I'm a local realtor here in Houston. So if you're looking to move in the next 90 to 90 days, give me a call, send me a text, shoot me an email. I would love to help you find your perfect place to call home. All right, let's get on with this video. All right, the first thing you don't want to do is change jobs, quit your job, or even reduce your hours, because obviously your home mortgage is based on that salary, on that income, and those paychecks hitting those accounts. So please don't do that. That is a surefire way to torpedo a mortgage or a pre-approval. And if you do, then, I mean, because let's face it, life happens, right? Things come up, opportunities present, situations arise you can't help. So, and timing's not always great. So if those things do arise, then please reach out to your lender, talk to them about the best way to proceed. It's very, very important. Okay, item number 2, don't make any large purchases. Don't buy a car, don't buy a lot of furniture for your new lovely home that you know you're going to want to fill with new things. Please don't do it. It's, again, a surefire torpedo. And if it doesn't do that, it could take your credit score down to where you don't qualify for that interest rate that you were trying to get. And if you have a higher interest rate and your payment goes up, then maybe you don't qualify, or maybe you just have a higher payment that you just don't want to handle. So again, please talk to the lender. You're going to hear me say, call your lender, time and time again through this video. But I mean, that's what's going to happen. Okay, credit line. Again, this is all credit, right? So don't apply for a new line of credit. Don't apply for credit cards. Just don't open it. It's like opening a can of worms. Don't do it. Just please stay with status quo. Look, you get pre-approved. It takes you, it doesn't take that long to find a home and put an offer on. So maybe you're a couple months that you got to deal with just, tightening the purse strings and living status quo and not doing anything crazy. But that's it. Just don't be crazy. You'll be okay with those. Don't spend money you just don't need to. Okay, the 4th thing is don't co-sign a loan for anyone. I know you have loved ones, kids, siblings, somebody who you want to help out, but please don't do it. Just wait until you get, until you're funded to do anything that's going to impact your credit. Just don't do it. It's sad. I know you want to help them, but just tell them you can't. You're in the process of getting a house, and if you help them, then, who's going to help you, basically, right? All right. Number 5, don't skip any payments. Pay all your bills on time. Please pay your bills on time. Those are the biggest hits to your credit, right? A late payment is very difficult to overcome on your credit, and it stays there for quite some time. So please keep status quo. Again, boring, but please do it. Be extra vigilant during this time. Number 6 is don't move any large amounts of money. Wow, what do you mean? Well, if you have $100,000 sitting over here and you have another account that's got $30,000 that you're setting aside for your closing costs and down payment and things like that, you think, oh, I have this $100,000 sitting over here. Well, do you? Or it's the bank sitting there saying, well, that $100,000 we have earmarked to cover this other debt that you have. And so long as you have that cash in the bank, we're okay with lending you this money. So again, you just don't know how the banks are looking at things, and you just don't want to be moving money around. There's a lot of scenarios. I can't think of them all right now. So please just check with your lender before moving money. Again, there's rules as to what can come into an account, if it's international money, all of that too. So just better safe than sorry, right? Okay, number 7. Don't ignore lender requests. I mean, this sounds pretty simple, but what is a lender request? Well, it's when the lender is reaching out to you to get your financial information, maybe your bank statements, maybe your W-4, maybe your recent pay stubs. If you delay getting this information to them, they're going to delay getting your loan processed, right? Or your pre-approval process, which if you're in a pre-approval process, it could mean you don't get the interest rate you want. If you're in a mortgage process, it could be that you don't get the interest rate you want, which could make the deal fall apart. Or it could be that you just don't qualify for the loan, which absolutely kills the deal. So please, please, please comply with all requests from your lenders immediately. They're under timelines and they have a lot of loans they're processing, so you have to give them that grace too to process timely on their side. All right, number 8 is don't make any big financial decisions. Well, what does that mean, Donna? Well, it means that if you, or say it's April and you want to fund your 401k, well, don't do it until you talk to your lender again, because you don't know where it goes with moving money, right? It's that same kind of principle. It's a big financial decision that's going to impact what you have processing. So again, just talk to your financial or your lender. You can talk to your financial advisor too, of course, but talk to your lender. It's very important that you don't do anything that'll upset the apple cart, because it's going to be you in the end that doesn't get that loan. It's very sad to sit at a closing table on closing day and the deal not go through, or to be sweating it, which I've done. I've had to change loans at the very last minute. I've had to change lenders because the deal's not going to come together. So it's not, the more you're on top of these things, the better off you're going to be. So just wait till you close before you go out and buy those sofas, buy that car. Buying a home is exciting, right? But it's also a delicate process that has a lot of moving parts that can cause it to fall apart. And the loan part is the one thing that you need to stay on top of to prevent from falling apart. So if this video helps you, I hope so. I hope you found it informative. And put in comments if you think I should have covered something else, or if you want me to cover something else, or if you have a question, I'd be happy to answer your questions. If you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe notifications button and ring that bell. And if you're looking to move in the next 90 days, give me a call, send me a text, shoot me an email. I'd love to help you find your perfect place to call home here in Texas. All right. And I also handle listings. It's not just buying. If you're in Houston and you need to sell your home, then reach out to me and I'd love to help you with that as well. All right. Thanks for watching. Take care for now, and I hope to see you around. Bye.